Hey guys, I want to give a quick tip on how to get your shock in place for a 2017 Subaru Outback. So I did it yesterday, and it's kind of tricky once you push the quick shock or whatever. You push the 3 pins up into the motor area. Well, aligning the lower part, the steering into the quick strut, it's kind of challenging. So I did use a jack to just kind of hold it there, just hold the weight of it and get it aligned. But the way I got the two holes aligned with the strut in the bottom was I used an extension from a ratchet set. I used a really small one, a small diameter, and then a larger one, and then just like manipulated it. I had it all the way through, and then that helped get it into alignment. And the top bolt, the camber bolt, is easy. Put that one in first, and then I put in the second one. That was the easiest way I found to do it. So I did also buy a $100. It was like 120. I think it was like a Takadu or something impact wrench. I mean, for 110 bucks, those bolts were just like, I've done it also before with just regular wrenches. But I couldn't believe how quick that was, using the battery powered impact drill to get the bolts on and off. I mean, if you got extra 120 or 140 bucks, I think I paid, it's worth it. If not, I've done it with wrenches, strictly wrenches, but I wanted to give a tip on getting that aligned. I just stuck an extension through there and just kind of manipulated it and checked to see, how close it was in alignment. But anyways, those are my tips. I hope this helps you be able to do your project. I got a couple other videos. I try to keep my videos kind of short because some of these guys, you watch like 30 minutes of them just going on and on. So I'm trying to keep my videos short, to the point, to help you fix your car. Thanks.